Dear children, I am your maths teacher Pragna with the concept of Indian and International System of Numeration. Let us begin with Indian System of Numeration. David has a magical seed with him. He sows that in his garden. As soon as he waters it, he saw that the seed starts growing into a climber. After a few minutes, it grows so tall that David was unable to see its tip. David climbs it and starts counting the leaf. One, 2, 27, 119, 2050, 52,640, 3,14,500, 99,99,999. Then David gets stuck as he does not know the next number. So he steps on nearby cloud. Suddenly he sees a beautiful angel in front of him. David tells the angel that he was unable to count after this number. Angel starts explaining about large number in detail. There are two systems of numeration, Indian system of numeration and International system of numeration. First, we will study about Indian system of numeration. Here is a table having 4 columns: ones, thousand, lakhs, crores. These are called as periods. These periods are again divided into sub-periods. Ones is divided into sub-period ones, tens and hundreds. Thousand is divided into the sub-period thousands and 10,000. Lakh is divided into sub-period lakhs and 10 lakhs. Crores is divided into sub-period crores and 10 crores. Now let us see reading and writing of large numbers. Insert commas to separate different periods. Put commas after 3 digits starting from right. As mentioned in the above column, 4 periods are there: ones, thousand, lakhs and crore. In ones, it is having 3 sub-periods, so you are putting comma after 3 digit. And in remaining all the periods, you are having 2 sub-periods, so you are putting comma after every 2 digits. Now let us see about International Place Value Chart. The place value system used worldwide is known as International Place Value System. Every period in it has 3 places: ones period, hundreds period and millions period. Sub-periods are ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Let us take an example. Here is number of vehicles produced in the world last year. Let us place the digit in correct position in the chart. In international system, you can see that every period is having 3 sub-periods. So comma is being put after every 3 digits starting from the right side. Let us see few more examples. Shown here is value of tickets sold during Olympic game. Let us place the number in the chart. $650,027,000. Ignore the period if the digits are all 0. Let us see one more example. Number of tickets sold for Olympic game show. Let us place the number in the chart and it is read as 325,555,000. Here the middle period is being skipped because it is having 0. Here is number of birds which have been migrating last year to India. Let us place these numbers in the chart. It is read as 156 million because we have ignored the digit having 0. Here is another example. Thank you.